Why we forget what we study.
Maya had another test the next week. This time, she studied a little every day. She felt more prepared. But after a few days, she forgot some of the things she learned. She asked her brother Kai, "Why do I still forget?" "That's normal," he said. "Forgetting is part of learning. It doesn't mean you're doing something wrong." Your brain does not keep everything. Every day, you see and hear many things. Your brain cannot keep all of it. If it did, your brain would be too full, like a bag that is too heavy to carry. So your brain has to choose. It keeps information that you use again. It lets go of information that you don't. This means forgetting isn't a mistake. It's your brain doing its job. Forgetting happens when you don't use it. Think about a new word you learned. If you see it one time and never use it again, your brain starts to let it go. But if you read it again, say it out loud, or write it in a sentence, your brain holds on to it more tightly. This is called practice, and practice is what tells your brain, "This is important, keep it." Time also makes memory weaker. Kai gave Maya an example. "Imagine you learned something today," he said. "Tomorrow, you still remember most of it. But if you never look at it again, it gets a little weaker every day, like a drawing left out in the rain." "So what do I do?" Maya asked. "You review it," Kai said. "You look at it again before it fades." Distractions make it hard to remember. When you study, your brain needs to focus. This means giving all your attention to one thing. If you check your phone, watch a video, or talk to friends at the same time, your brain has to keep switching. We call this multitasking, trying to do many things at once. But your brain can't hold on to new information when it keeps switching. The memory becomes weak before it even has a chance to form. Sleep is still important. Maya already knew this part. "Sleep," she said, before Kai could finish. "Exactly. While you sleep, your brain goes back over what you learned and makes it stronger. Without good sleep, even the things you studied carefully can slip away." Maya tries again. Maya thought about everything Kai told her. Forgetting was normal, but she didn't have to let it win. She started reviewing her notes the day after she studied them, then again a few days later. She put her phone in another room while she studied. She slept at the same time every night. It wasn't easy at first. Some things she still forgot. But each time she reviewed, she remembered a little more. Before her test, she sat quietly and went through her notes one last time. She didn't feel perfect, but she felt ready. She picked up her pen and began.